Linda Gooden is a pioneering female African-American computer scientist. With a passion for technology and a drive to excel, she carved out an impressive career in the aerospace and defense industry, ultimately retiring as the executive vice president of Lockheed Martin's Information Systems and Global Solutions, IS&GS, business area. Gooden's educational foundation began with a degree in computer technology from Youngstown State University. She further enhanced her academic credentials by earning a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration and a Master of Business Administration from the University of Maryland. In 1994, Gooden joined Lockheed Martin, where she quickly demonstrated her leadership and vision. She became vice president of Lockheed Martin's Software Support Services Unit, and by 2006, she was named Black Engineer of the Year by U.S. Black Engineer and IT magazine. Her role as president of Lockheed Martin Information Technology saw her grow the business from $8 million to an astonishing $2.5 billion over a decade. Her leadership extended to the broader industry and community. She served on numerous executive boards, including the University Systems of Maryland Board of Regents, the United States Naval Academy Foundation Board of Directors, and the Smithsonian Library Board of Directors. President Barack Obama appointed her to the National Security Telecommunications Advisory Committee in 2010, underscoring her influence and expertise in national security matters. Gooden's accolades are numerous. For example, Fortune magazine named her one of the top 50 most powerful women in business for 3 consecutive years, and she was inducted into the Maryland Business Hall of Fame in 2008. Her commitment to education and career accomplishments earned her several honorary doctorates from the University of Maryland University College, Morgan State University, and Drexel University, respectively. She lives in Annapolis, Maryland, with her husband Laird.